I'm so happy to see you today. Look at it. I took a shower. I put on my best shirt for you. How you doing today? Some people think you have to be rich to be happy, but that's not true. It's the little things. A nice warm fire on a winter night, a warm, beautiful, comfy blanket to keep us warm, and a good book. Life is a lot more simple, I think, than people realize. Hey everybody, thank you so much for coming back and seeing me and Desi. Did you have a good week? I hope so. I had a tremendous week. I had too much fun this week. But this is like gift season for me right now. There's Father's Day, graduations, all kinds of things going on. And my very favorite place to shop for a gift is Etsy. So a couple times a year, I partner with Etsy. They support the channel here so I can keep doing this week after week. And I just love them. And I want to tell you why I love them, but more importantly, I want to show you some of the gifts that I have got for the people that I love the most in my life. And that even includes Desi. So I think we're going to have fun. You seem to really love favorites. And I think it's because I rarely do them. So when I bring you something, it's something I truly believe in. And Etsy, the reason I go to Etsy is because I can get personalized gifts, monogrammed. Where are you going to get that? You can't go to Walmart and get a beautiful jewelry box with your loved one's name on it. You can't do that. But you can at Etsy. And then, people will say, well, I like to shop on Amazon. Do you? Do you really? I never can talk to anybody on Amazon. I can't talk to the sellers. I will write them and they never write back. So many wonderful artists on Etsy. They make these beautiful handcrafted things for us. And we can talk to them and they're personalized and we can have the size we want, the color we want. But most importantly, we can send in our loved one's picture. We can have something handcrafted from all over the world. It's such a beautiful way of shopping and giving a gift. So I want to show you my very favorite Etsy shops. And I know each one of these sellers personally only from buying from them over and over. So I want to show you what I got from my loved ones. When you give a gift and it's personalized, just to see the person that you're giving that gift to kind of break out in tears, it's just such a wonderful feeling that they know you've taken the time to pick out something really special for them. Tomorrow night, I'm having a dinner for a family member who is leaving for down south to go to college, and she loves everything blue. So for my table setting, because we're going to have a great dinner, I'm cooking her favorite dinner that I cook, my baked chicken, and I found a blue tablecloth that is so gorgeous. And then I found these beautiful blue candles to go on the table. I found some lovely, delicate salt and pepper shakers and cobalt blue vase. I mean, it was amazing what I found for this amazing little simple dinner party that I'm having tomorrow night for someone that I just love. I want to show you my table. Do you want to see my table? All right. Tonight is my dinner party for a very special family member who is moving down south to go to college. And It's sort of an exciting night for the family, and I wanted something special because she loves the color blue. So Etsy came to the rescue, and I want to show you this beautiful tablecloth that I got off of Etsy, which is now one of my prized possessions. How beautiful is this tablecloth? Desi, do you think dreams come true? One time you lived in a closet. Now you're king of your backyard. How about that? Oh, I did buy a couple things for myself this month on Etsy, even though I have so many different occasions coming up for other people, but I couldn't resist. I wanted a locket necklace, and I wanted it in the shape of a heart. I wore this a couple weeks ago, and you asked me about it, and you really liked it. So I'll show you the shop that I got it at. The reason I bought this one is because it was gold. It had the traditional cut that I love, and it has a nice chain, and it's adjustable, so I can make this a very short necklace or a long necklace, which you can't say that very often when you buy something off of Amazon, right? And I also got a beautiful tiger's eye necklace, and I'm going to change my blouse and put the necklace and the earrings on just so you can see how pretty it is. This is the beautiful, beautiful, can you see that necklace? It's so pretty. This is my tiger's eye necklace, and I have matching earrings, and they are so beautiful. It looks like I spent hundreds of dollars on them, but that's not the point. The point is the drama of it. Plus, it's supposed to be good luck. Yeah. Well, I know my daughter-in-law and my son are going somewhere very special for their 1-year anniversary, and I wanted Nicole to have something that she can put her jewelry in when she's traveling, because she said it always gets tangled in her purse. And when she said that, I thought, oh, this is the perfect gift for her. So this is a beautiful little velvet carrying case for your jewelry, and I'll show you a close-up of it, but I had it engraved for Nicole, and it's just, I think she's gonna love it. I think, well, yeah, I'm gonna give it to her before this video goes up, because yeah, I want her to be surprised when she opens it up, but I think she's gonna love it. That's the magic of Etsy. It's like ordering the bookmarks with Desi's image on it. That means the world to me. If I'm having kind of a bluesy, rainy day, and I can open up my book and there's Desi in my bookmark, I think that's just wonderful. is a beautiful alpaca blanket, and I am giving this as a gift to a neighbor that is in a little bit of trouble with their health. And you know, they say giving a blanket is supposed to be well wishes for good health. And I thought, so this would be the perfect gift. I gave another alpaca blanket to another neighbor at Christmas time that was moving away, and she cried when she saw it. And I have a theory on this, why people get very, very emotional over these blankets, the beautiful Native American designs. And just like my neighbor, I grew up in the 50s and the 60s, and it was very, very normal for all us kids to have Native American blankets with these beautiful Native American designs. And we made forts, and we had sleepovers, and we each had our beautiful Native American blankets, and they were so warm and they lasted forever. And then they just sort of disappeared from the market. You can't go to Walmart and buy a beautiful blanket like this. These are very, very special. These are guaranteed for a lifetime. The colors are vibrant and they stay vibrant. And they're so durable. They're the warmest blankets you could ever imagine. So when you give a blanket like this to someone and they tear up, well, if they're our age, probably. But when you give a blanket like this as a gift to someone, it just says so much love, doesn't it? It's just, I want you to be warm. I want you to be safe. I want you to take care of yourself. So when I have my neighbor who's in trouble with his health right now, when I give him this blanket, he'll know. He'll understand. If you have someone that you love that is perhaps going through a health crisis, or you yourself is going through a health crisis, it's something to think about. I bought myself this blanket. This is an alpaca blanket, nothing warmer. And Desi and I, we curl up underneath this. It brings back all the wonderful memories of my childhood, but it also reminds me to take care of myself. Everything's going to be all right. Time I get on Etsy, they blow my mind. And I did not know that this was available, but this is a beautiful porcelain ceramic pitcher, but it's not an ordinary pitcher. It says Grandma's Garden on it, and then the people that you love are listed, and also by the name of the person you love is their birth flower. And for mine, I have Chris, I have Nicole, I have Wyatt, I have Quinn, and I have Desi and Devin. I had no idea something like this even existed. And you can get, the flower pots and the coffee mugs that say Grandma's Garden. But how dear is that? This isn't a one-off where, you give somebody this as a gift and then they get tired of it and a couple years throw it away. Or donate it. I mean, this is your heart. This is personal. And I want to show you a clip of when my granddaughter and my grandson saw this for the first time. And I think there's a lesson that I learned from my 5-year-old granddaughter when she started to read the names that were on the vase. It's your daddy, that's Chris.
Dad, Nicole, Mom, Devin, Quinn, Wyatt, and Desi.
All right.
So I love this about because of the sunflower. The flowers are really pretty. They're really pretty to look at, and they are really fun to touch. The most important part of life.
What's the most important part of life?
That you need to remember your people.
And as we get older, we lose so many friends and family members, and we start to feel lost a little bit. All the people that we love that grounded us so much, they're gone. And what Quinn's statement reminded me of is that every person that is past in our life is still within us. And all the charm and the gifts that we have, well, they were part of it. They were part of making us the person that we are today. And that was a very special way of looking at something that is, yes, it's a material thing, but when I give this as a gift, I will remember it's more. This one particular thing is a little bit more than just a cute pillow or a lovely necklace. It's life. The most important part of life is love. So who said you have to be rich to be happy? A lovely meal with people you love, a lovely tablecloth, candles flickering. Life is good. It's the simple things.
It looks like my flower is like a daisy.
Yeah?
My flower is like a daisy.
Yeah?
I had so much fun making the video today. I so hope you saw something that you might want to give as a gift. And thank you, Etsy, so much for sponsoring my channel and just making things possible for my subscribers at a discount rate this week. Please have yourself a wonderful, happy, safe, brand new week. And when you're done with your week, please come back and see me and Desi, okay? All right, it's a deal. We'll be here. Stay tuned for a song.
Chaperone the whole open door. This is my house. Nothing happens here this time. I'm looking at you, trouble. Nothing happens here this time. All signed releases.
Nothing we're not used to with them.
See, you're always on the market. See, you always have our heart. At sea, we